Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam not opening or launching in your Windows 10 or 11. If you're facing that problem, you're going to have to immediately stop Steam if it's running in the background. Select this drop-down menu. If you see Steam here, right-click onto it and then select Exit. Come below at the search bar, type in Task Manager and then launch it. Select Processes, click on Anywhere, then type in S. If you see Steam running here, let's say if it's your Steam, right-click onto it, select End Task, and it will be cleared from your background. Now here, what you have to do is come below at the search bar, type in Steam, select Open, and see if it fixes your problem. If Steam is still not opening, then press Windows and R, type in local local app data % and then enter. In here, you're going to have to click on Anywhere, type in S, and locate the Steam folder. Now, you'll see HTML cache. Go ahead and clear it. Select Continue and clear this. Once you do that, you're going to have to restart your device and simply launch your Steam and see if it fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then the only way that you can fix your problem is by uninstalling it for now. And after a couple of minutes, you may go ahead, reinstall it again in your PC, and it will definitely work. Thank you for watching.